Welcome to a workshop on finance math. One of the things that students struggle with when they do the math of finance is knowing which of the formulas to use. Your teacher usually gives you a formula sheet, but you can also find a list of all the formulas and some hints on the Learning Commons website to help you as you do these problems. So I'd like to do just a sample problem or two with you, and then you can come in and get extra help. If you're there online and you have any questions, let me know and we can answer that also as we go. But you have several different types of problems. The first, in the problem, it will say simple interest, and then you'll be able to use the formulas that show up on the first part of the sheet that we give you or that your teacher gives you. If the word compound shows up anywhere in the problem, you're going to skip these and you're going to go straight to deciding, are you making payments? Then you're going to use the last equation. Or are you going to put money in one time, like if you have a nephew that's born and you put $100 in an account and you want him to have some money when he gets to college. So I want to do just a couple problems and let you look at it. We're not going to work them out. I just want to look at the keywords and figure out which formula you would use. So the first sample, this was from a practice test. And so they should be representative of what you're supposed to know. The parents want to have $90,000 available when their newborn gets to college. So this one, if you notice, it does say it's compounded quarterly. And it asks you how much money should be deposited to have $90,000 in the future. So if you look at your equations, it's not money that you're putting in now, it's money that you want in the future. It had the word compounding in it. So we're going to be using the future value formula. The next one on here, a store owner needs $1,500,000 in 8 years. She's making payments, which is different than the first problem we looked at. The first problem, they wanted to invest a certain amount of money now, and they weren't going to do anything else to it. They were going to let it sit. With this one, she's going to make a payment every month, and it says compounded monthly. So when you look at the equations, we're going to the ones that say